Big yard, flexible floor plan, award-winning schools, and a pool. Welcome to the Chandler jackpot. If you've been searching for a home that balances smart updates with serious charm, this 4-bedroom plus den, 2.5 bath, stunning home in Chandler, Arizona delivers, and then some. Tucked into the sought-after Kyrene School District, with students feeding directly into the nationally recognized Corona del Sol High School, this 2,906 square foot home is built for easy living, with room to grow. Inside, the home feels fresh, bright, and beautifully styled. Crisp white finishes create a space that feels both modern and welcoming. The layout is not only stylish and updated, it's flexible. Dedicated office or workspace that could easily convert to a 5th bedroom if needed. A true 3-car garage for all the bikes, gear, and projects that deserve their own space. Plus, the floor plan makes adding another bathroom a breeze. Upstairs, 3 of the 4 bedrooms open into private balconies, the perfect setup for stargazing or simply catching a breath of fresh air. The primary suite feels like a real retreat, with its own balcony and plenty of room to unwind after those busy Arizona days. And this backyard deserves its own highlight reel. Sparkling pool for cooling off anytime, travertine decking, ample shade, and low-maintenance turf with its own RV parking and a dedicated outlet. Sitting on a 9,000 square foot lot, there's space for backyard games, barbecues, and plenty of breathing room under those big Arizona skies. And if you're ready for a home that's built for real life with style, flexibility, and one of Chandler's best addresses, this is it.